Welcome to our review of Anadolu Hotels Didim Club, a charming resort in Altinkum, Turkey. This hotel offers a perfect blend of relaxation and fun, making it a great choice for families and couples alike. The rooms are comfortable and well appointed, featuring modern amenities and beautiful views of the surrounding area. Guests can enjoy a variety of dining options, from international cuisine to local Turkish specialties, all prepared with fresh ingredients. The hotel's outdoor pool is a highlight, providing a fun and relaxing environment for guests of all ages. The pool area is surrounded by lush gardens, creating a tranquil atmosphere. For those looking for more activity, the hotel offers a range of sports facilities and a well-equipped fitness centre. The spa is a great place to unwind, offering a range of treatments to soothe your body and mind. The friendly and attentive staff ensure a pleasant stay, catering to your every need. Overall, Anadolu Hotels Didim Club is a fantastic option for travellers seeking a relaxing and enjoyable vacation in Altinkum. Book your stay today and experience the warmth of Turkish hospitality.